Good day. My name is Tanika Rachel Tico Castro, and today I will talk about climate change and our responsibilities as humans. I can still remember my longest night last year in December. It is where the typhoon Odette hit Negros Oriental, a terrifying night of my life because of the strongest wind I encountered so far. In just one night, almost all of the houses in some cities were swallowed by the flood. In just one night, hundreds of people died. These ferocious winds, storms, and tornadoes, earthquakes, attack humanity differently now. It is because of our doings as well. Climate change is happening now. Global warming is what we experience, and it is our time to take part and eliminate these problems. According to the IPCC Climate Change 2022 Impacts Report, we are contributing a large scale of carbon dioxide emission compared to the past decades. In NASA's report, the Earth's climate change incidences of existence, heat and humidity, or rising will have significant consequence for human health. As the Earth warms, ice glaciers melt, and this means that this could contribute to global sea rise. Today, 10% of the land area on Earth is covered with glacial ice. Almost 95% or 90% is in Antarctica, while the remaining 10% is in the Greenland ice cap. This rapidly melting of ice glaciers are because of human activities since the Industrial Revolution. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gas emissions have raised temperature even higher in the poles, and as a result, a rapidly melting, calming off the sea, retreating on land. As the sea ice melts, darker patches of ocean start to emerge, eliminating the effect that previously cooled the pool, creating warmer air temperatures, in turn disrupting normal patterns of ocean circulation. This could result to more destructive storms like the typhoon Odette and hurricanes that appeared in the western part this past week and around the world. Even if we significantly curb emissions in the coming decades, more than a third of the world's remaining glaciers will melt before the year 2100. When it comes to sea ice, 95% of the oldest and biggest ice in the Arctic are already gone. According to Lauren Hancock, in her article in worldwild.org, as sea ice melts, wildlife like walrus are losing their homes, and polar bears are spending more time on land, causing conflict between people and bears. These are not just the possible conflicts that humanity will face, but rather we must expect for the worst. When the time comes, this past few strongest storms, strongest typhoon ever recorded, will be labeled as weak compared to what will come. Extreme heat and extinction of species are not just the things we should worry about, but also the life that the future generation will experience. Hunger, poverty, global sea level rise, chaos against humans and bears or wild animals are just some of it. Climate change is happening now, and it is one of the biggest threats to all living in the planet. Fortunately, in 2015, world leaders signed a major treaty called the Paris Agreement. It is to lessen, if not eradicate, the climate change we are experiencing, and also to put practice the solutions that is proposed to fight against climate change. These enter our responsibility as citizens, as individuals, as human living in our planet. Every one of us should take part in helping our environment regain its beauty and health. A simple throwing of garbage into the right place is already a big help. You're using sustainable energy. Stop burning plastics, for it can contribute carbon dioxide that can cause global warming and also help plant trees. These are just micro efforts, but if all of us will take part and put these solutions into practice, our micro efforts can result into bigger things. If we help together, in just years, we can solve these problems. Electing a leader who cares about the environment is a helpful way as well. With these things combined together, our future self and the future generation will benefit of it. There will be no 7.5 magnitude earthquakes, super typhoons, tornadoes, extreme heat, extreme cold, hunger, and extinction of species. There will be no bigger casualties when there is a calamity like what happened to the typhoons in these recent months. And surely, not just the future generation will thank us, but also our Mother Earth. Let the earth breathe. Thank you.